Welcome to the AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. Today, we will see how to run Telnet on Windows 10. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. If you want a PDF file of this video tutorial, you can download it from our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting. Let's begin the tutorial. Telnet application is by default disabled in Microsoft Windows system. First we will enable Telnet in Windows 10. Click on the Start button. Go to the search box. Type Control Panel on it. Select the control panel from above and click on it. It will open Control Panel window. Click on the Programs. Now click on Programs and Features. Go to the left side of the screen. Click on Turn Windows Features on or off. This will open the Windows Feature dialog box. Now you need to scroll down the window to find Telnet Client option. Tick the box left side of the Telnet client to enable Telnet in the Windows system. Now click on the OK button. This process may take a few seconds to complete. When you see the Windows completed the requested changes message, you need to click on the Close button to close dialog boxes. Now close the Program and Feature dialog box. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Telnet in Windows 10. Now we will see how to run Telnet command on Windows 10. Click on the Start button. Type CMD in the search box. Now select Command Prompt from the list. It will open the Command Prompt window. Type Command Telnet inside the Command Prompt window. Enter space. Type hostname or IP address. In the hostname you can use the domain name or IP address which you want to check. Here we are using hostname as a demo vpstest.com. To check HTTP service is enabled or not, type space. Now enter the port which you want to check. Here we will use port number 80 because HTTP service by default runs on port number 80. Now press Enter. If the connection succeeds, a blank screen will show up, meaning that the computer port is open. A failed connection will be shown by an error message. It can indicate either a closed port or the fact that the indicated remote server is not listening to the provided port. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We looked how to run Telnet in Windows 10. If you like our technical video, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to symbol us. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have to access the PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.